Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Alex. As you guys can see by the title, I have finally done a hair care slash what I do to my hair, how I keep it so healthy looking video. You guys have wanted this video for so long, and I'm sorry it took me this long. I think I did one like a year-ish ago, but you guys wanted an updated one. Honestly, I feel like my routine has stayed pretty similar, but you guys ask for it, I will give you what you guys want. So that is what today's video is. I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite products, what I think really helps my hair, what straightener I use, all of that fun stuff. So if you are interested, then just keep watching. The first thing I want to show you guys is actually the hair straightener that I use, because if you don't know, my hair is actually naturally wavy-ish. It used to be more curly, but I have straightened my hair almost every single day for so many years. Since I started high school, I started straightening my hair. Obviously now I am 25 years old, so I'm not in high school. I haven't been in high school for quite a while now, but as you can see, I still straighten my hair a lot of the time, and I mean, it looks pretty healthy to me. A lot of you guys always mention how healthy and shiny my hair looks. First of all, my hair straightener is from Duvolle. I actually started shopping on Duvolle prior to them reaching out and sponsoring me. If you have seen my skincare spin brush video, they actually sent me that, and now I get to partner with them for my hair straightener, which I am so excited for. And this is the Duvolle Rendezvous styling hair straightener, and this is what it looks like. First of all, the box is really nice, and it has like a little magnetic closure. Just has some tips on how you can straighten it or curl it and do a bunch of different things with it. I usually just straighten my hair with this. I do have a Duvolle hair curler, which I also really love, but this is what I use basically every single day. So this is what it looks like. If you guys can see, I just want to point out, this loops around. So this part does get hot. On this side it doesn't have that. And then this part has where it loops around, and this one doesn't. Are you ready for this? I got you guys a 70% off coupon code. Price wise, this is originally $195, and with my coupon code, which is my name, Alexandra, you get 70% off. So you save $136.50, and you only pay $58.50 for this, which is such a good price. Trust me, this hair straightener will last you so long. The only thing I will say though is I burn myself a little bit more than I would like to admit with this, just because I go close, and like I said, that panel that goes around a little bit, sometimes I will like feel it on my hand, or like I'll touch my neck with it, and it's just like, you know what I mean? I feel like it doesn't damage my hair that much, even though, like I said, I do use it all the time. Finding a good hair straightener is crucial. There are 5 different settings, so it goes from 270 to 320 to 360, then 410, and lastly 450. And you just push the on and off button, and the more you click it, the higher it like lights up, so you guys know which heat you're setting it at. I personally either use it at 360 or 410. Those are the 2 modes that I like. Alright, so here I'm going to show you what I actually do with my hair. So that was the heat protectant. This is the hairbrush. I keep my hair in a towel for like 15 minutes after I'm done. This is what my hair looks like. And then I go and spray both sides of my hair with the heat protectant. I don't like to do the root of my hair. And then I'll just grab my hairbrush and brush everything out. This will help evenly distribute the product in my hair. So it'll help also bring the product from the bottom to the top, as you can see the strokes that I'm doing. I then flip my hair over, and I do the exact same thing for the other side, again just to evenly distribute everything and get all the knots and everything out of my hair. So I do this when my hair is wet. This is what it looks like. And then I go in and I tie up my hair like this in little sections, and I just start using the hair straightener and straightening my hair on each side. This is what it looks like. I then go in with this oil. I'll talk more about it in a little bit. I put a little bit, and I just go to the bottom tips of my hair. I don't put it at the top just because I don't want my hair to get oily. This is what it looks like. Look how shiny my hair looks. Next, I do the next layer. So I do undo my hair, and I tie up a little bit, and I leave a little bit more down, and again go on straightening it. Again, going with my oil just at the tips, and then I do the final step, which is here. I don't go in with the oil on the top layer, so that's important to know. And finally, a before and after of what my hair looks like. Moving on to products that I use, I guess we'll start off with shampoo and conditioner. I have talked about these so many times on my channel. I always buy them, show you guys when I buy them, and I just rave about these all the time. These are the Body Shop Ginger Scalp Care Conditioner and the shampoo. So this is the shampoo. And this is the conditioner. So I got the scalp care one and I started using this because obviously I do straighten my hair a lot. I put a lot of heat to it. I needed to get something to take care of my scalp so it's not drying out and it's not all gross and everything. You know what I'm saying? So I tested these out once and I have not looked back. Absolutely love them. So I'll just go in with the shampoo. Once it is time for conditioner, I will just put like a little bit on my hands, but I also mix it with this Tresemme conditioner. Honestly, this like conditioner, the second conditioner that I like to use, super random. I don't really have a preference, but I chose this one because it'll go along with another product that I recently discovered. So I just started using this one, but I'll mix both of the conditioners in my hand and I will just go in the shower, and basically what I do is I just make sure that it is from my ears, so the under of my ear all the way down. I'll like drench it in conditioner and I'll just like roll it like this, like make a bun or whatever, and I'll either have one of those like hair ties that I can bring in the shower and tie my hair up like that, or just put a clip, or sometimes I forget and I just try to keep it like that and not wash out my hair. So while I am doing that, I am washing my body, exfoliating my body, shaving if I have to shave, whatever it is. I just make sure that as soon as I'm done with shampoo, I just go in with conditioner. That way I can leave it in my hair as long as possible, and I feel like that has also helped my hair a lot. After I'm done rinsing it out, making sure all the conditioner is out, I do like to just stand under cold water for 10 seconds. So I'll basically just throw my hair back while I'm in the shower and try not to get my body, because obviously I don't want my body to be cold if I'm using cold water, but I just literally will go like this and I'll just put my hair out as far back as I can to make sure that, you know, the water when it's coming down doesn't get on my body because I don't want to freeze. But I'll just go like that and I'll just wait 10 seconds for it to be like cold, and then that's my shower. Next, something that I think has been working phenomenal that I really like is actually taking collagen. So collagen is very good for your nails, your hair, your skin, all of that. This one in particular is from Teamy. This video is not sponsored by them. They honestly don't even know I'm talking about them in this video, but I think ever since I started taking collagen too, this one in particular, because this is the collagen that I have been taking, they sent it to me. It's been a couple months now, and honestly I actually really like this product. I think collagen absolutely is another product that makes sure that your hair just stays healthy and shiny. Same with nails. Like, I have long natural nails, as you guys know. I don't wear fake nails, and I do have a promo code. It'll be linked in the description if you guys want to check it out. But Teamy does have great things. Definitely go check them out. I do have a bunch of other videos reviewing them if you want to check that out, but collagen, highly recommend. Alright, so back to like showering, conditioner, all of that. So this is the Tresemme Repair and Protect 7. I actually bought this like 3 weeks ago. I was one day just looking for a heat protectant. I was like, maybe I should start using a heat protectant because I really do want to keep my hair as healthy as possible throughout the years, and I picked this one up. Honestly, I don't even know to this day if it's a heat protectant, but it just says Repair and Protect. I actually really like this. I love the smell of it. You guys should have already seen how I use this. It smells really good and it's super inexpensive, only like $5. So I recently added this into my hair care routine and I actually really like it so far. So I figured I would include this. But yeah, I've been using it for like 3 weeks, and this though looks so similar to the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. Guys, you don't know how many times I have to do a double take to make sure that I am not using my Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. How similar does this look? I have to do so many takes to make sure that I am not using this one on my face or using this one on my hair. Like, they just look so similar, but it's crazy to think that this bottle of product is only like $4 or $5 while this one is like almost $30. Kind of crazy. Next up, hairbrush that I use. Mine is very, very dirty, so I don't really want to show you the inside, but this is the Tangle Teaser. I used to have another one, and I had that one for so many years, and I recently upgraded this one, I think a year and a half ago, a year ago. I got this one. This is the compact one. I really like this one a lot better than the non-compact one. I usually just brush my hair when I'm getting out of the shower, and when I have this on, I spray this in and then I just brush it out like that. I don't randomly just brush my hair, but yeah, I usually just brush it after I am done in the shower. So this is definitely a hairbrush I love. I don't know, I really like how it's plastic to the little bristles. I just think it works out great. My mom has super curly hair, and I actually bought her one of these, and she also loves hers. Second last product, guys, is this one. This is the Sebastian Dark Oil. I actually got this from the place I get my hair cut 4 or 5 years ago. I got my first bottle of this. This is my second bottle. It lasts so long. I don't know if you can really see through the bottle. It's loved. As you can see, this is all scratched up and everything because it has been loved. But this is the Sebastian Dark Oil. Like I said, when I was getting my hair cut, the lady that I get my hair cut with, she used it on me once, and I was like, what is that? It smells so good. It makes your hair so soft. I absolutely loved it. So I did purchase this. It is a little bit more expensive, but it lasts so long. Definitely worth it. It makes your hair smell so good, and it's like so soft. I just put at the tips of my hair so that way it doesn't get too like dry and everything, and it doesn't get too oily too if I go too up. And had to mention this new product that I got from insert name here. This is the Quick Slick. My baby hairs are crazy, especially now that I'm kind of wearing my parts more in the middle-ish. I recently got this in a package like 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, and I started using this. Absolutely love it. Figured I'd mention it here. Super inexpensive. It's like $13, plus I have a promo code Alexandra 15. Saves you money. It's kind of like mascara looking wand. Like this. It literally looks like a bottle of mascara, but it is hair gel to help with all the little flyaways and just make your hair look really sleek. Put it on and you don't even feel like anything. If I want to run my like hands through my hair, it's not like stiff. It's chilling, you know what I mean? So that is the Quick Slick, and I figured I did have to include that since I actually really like this. That is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!